Hi, I'm back, and now we are putting things together. Kumusta po kayo? My name is Jay. I am a Filipino and I call Metro Manila in the Philippines my home. Welcome back to this channel. Let's go Tagalog, your companion in your journey in learning the beautiful language Tagalog. If you are new to this channel, I encourage you to check the previous videos. I've talked about a number of topics on Tagalog grammar that are the building blocks to the topic that I will be discussing in this video. So I strongly encourage you to check those videos, and I'm putting the link in the description down below. It will be very helpful if you do so. In this video, I will be focusing on reviewing the sentence patterns we talked about in the previous videos, and it is time to put everything together. So, tara, magsimula na tayo. Let's take a look again at this pattern. In this pattern, we have learned about Tagalog ligatures used to modify words. We use the following ligatures: na, ng, and g. Now, let's take a look at how they are used. For example, sapatos, mahal. Sapatos na mahal, expensive shoe. Sapatos ends in the consonant S, so the ligature is na. Babae, maganda. Magandang babae. Pretty woman. Babae ends in the vowel E, so the ligature ng is attached at the end of the word. Mamamayan, maparaan. Mamamayang maparaan. Resourceful citizen. Mamamayan ends in the consonant N, so the ligature G is attached at the end of the word, producing the ang sound. We also learned that this sentence pattern is flexible and interchangeable. For example, mahal, sapatos. Mahal na sapatos. Maganda, babae. Magandang babae. Maparaan, mamamayan. Maparaang mamamayan. Our next step is to use these patterns into simple sentences. And the way to do that is to insert them into sentence patterns we already learned previously. Remember this pattern? Case marker plus noun plus I plus predicate. Like, si Peter ay matalino, Peter is smart, or ang bahay ay magara, the house is fancy. We can use the same pattern to add the words being modified. For example, case marker plus modified word plus I plus the predicate. So we can have, ang damit na mahal ay maganda. Or we can flip this to, ang mahal na damit ay maganda. Both versions are exactly the same in English. The expensive dress is pretty. Let's try some more examples. Ang bahay na puti ay magara. Ang puting bahay ay magara. Ang tunog na malakas ay istorbo. Ang malakas na tunog ay istorbo. Ang asong maingay ay nakakainis. Ang maingay na aso ay nakakainis. Ang punong malaki ay mayabong. Ang malaking puno ay mayabong. Ang kotseng magara ay mahal. Ang magarang kotse ay mahal. Ang sabong mabango ay mura. Ang mabangong sabon ay mura. Ang pinggang malinis ay kanais-nais. Ang malinis na pinggan ay kanais-nais. Ang upuang komportable ay malaki. Ang komportabling upuan ay malaki. Make sense? We can also use the other sentence pattern we learned previously. Remember this one, the equivalent of also in Tagalog, rin and din? Remember those? Case marker plus modified noun plus I plus predicate plus rin and din, whichever is applicable. Let's try. Ang damit na mahal ay maganda rin. Ang mahal na damit ay maganda rin. The expensive dress is pretty too. Ang kotseng magara ay mahal din. Ang magarang kotse ay mahal din. The fancy car is expensive too. Si Peter na Amerikano ay mabait din. Ang Amerikanong si Peter ay mabait din. The American Peter is kind too. Si Rubeng malikhain ay matalino rin. Ang malikhaing si Ruben ay matalino rin. Creative Ruben is smart too. All right, we have covered some new concepts in this session. One key thing I wish you to take away from this session is the realization that Tagalog sentence structure and word order is flexible. For example, we have flipped the word order two ways. But what if I told you, wait, there's more. And there's actually more. There is a third and more natural sounding way in Tagalog word order. And we will be talking about those in future sessions in the context of learning a new concept that will dominate a new chapter of videos that I will be coming out very soon. Starting next week, I will be talking about Tagalog personal pronouns like how to use I, you, we, us, and so on in Tagalog. I hope you don't miss that. And what better way for not missing those is to click on the bell button and the subscribe button. And please consider liking this video. So, I will see you next time. Hanggang sa susunod.